Hello, my name is Nicholas Ponticelli, and the topic of this presentation will be lean methodologies and lean software development. To understand lean software development, we must first understand the origins of lean methodology. Lean methodology is a business and management practice to optimize processes. Lean methodology originated from the Japanese company Toyota in the 1930s and 1940s to optimize the process of automobile production. Lean methodology contains two main pillars, which are continuous improvement and respect. The continuous improvement pillar shows how lean methodology is process-driven and is always aiming at producing high quality. Respect broadly speaks to the acceptance of new ideas, trust in the team, and willingness to accept feedback. In addition, there are 5 distinct principles to lean methodology. The graphic to the right from the Project Management Institute shows these lean methodology principles, which are specify value, identify steps in the value stream, create flow, establish pull, and seek perfection. These principles are the roots upon which the principles of lean software development were created. Broadly speaking, these principles can be explained as finding what provides value in the project and focusing on improving the processes that create this value. In addition, the project should be done in a high-quality manner, and important decisions should be made when sufficient knowledge and understanding of a process is available. Even today, many successful large companies embody the principles of lean methodology, such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Spotify. Lean software development was derived from lean methodologies and is an agile framework used to optimize and improve the process of software development. In fact, it is a common practice to incorporate elements of both agile and lean in the software development lifecycle. In general, lean software development is a cost-effective and time-expedient process for delivering minimum viable software products. While not as popular nor common as extreme programming or agile, lean software development can be a very effective way to carry out a successful project. To the left of the slide are 7 key principles of lean software development. As a brief example of the similarities in the lean software development and lean methodologies principles, eliminating waste can be directly correlated to specify value. The first principle of lean software development is eliminating waste. By eliminating waste, lean software development hones in on the value-adding features that are required for a successful project. In addition, eliminating waste reduces cost and eliminates potential time-consuming errors on features that do not provide an equivalent amount of value to the customer. Whereas other software development strategies get bogged down in the details, lean software development focuses on core elements of the project. Some key examples of software engineering waste that is eliminated is partially done work, extra features, handoffs, redundant code, and management activities. The second principle of lean software development is fast delivery. Steps that cause lag and slow down the development process are removed. This increases the rate at which the minimum viable software is delivered to the customer. Software is delivered incrementally and improved continuously. This allows for more feedback from the customer so that the process of continual improvement can begin and the next minimal feature iteration can occur. By being fast in short increments, the overall speed at which the project is delivered will also be fast. The third principle of lean software development is amplify learning. This relates to the developers on the team needing to be constantly learning and adapting to the product requirements. In addition, the team must be cross-functional and have a broad understanding of all aspects of the product. This reduces dependencies, which can be pitfalls in software projects. This principle can be correlated to the create flow principle in lean methodology. When there is a common understanding and quickness in a team, it creates flow where the passage of time is smooth. One way that amplified learning is seen in real-world lean software development is with Kanban boards to help visualize tasks and assign work. While waste is eliminated in lean software development, it is important that the quality of the software is not sacrificed. This principle can be directly correlated to the seek perfection principle in lean methodology. Lean software development emphasizes that quality is of the utmost importance and should start from the first line of code. Testing and bug fixing shouldn't be solely relied upon as a cure. The less time that is spent on preventable errors, the better for the team and the project. Lean software development places a great importance on open communication amongst the team members. A collaborative work environment where everyone feels free to share honest opinions about the project helps to improve morale and increase efficiency. Great synergies are created through a positive work environment where creativity is promoted. An additional reason this principle is important is due to lean software development causing burnout amongst the team because of the continuous improvement process. Teamwork is essential in a fast-paced and stressful project. This principle also involves the customer, as communication is essential for a mutual understanding of the goals and requirements of the project. Lean software development delays commitment regarding important decisions on the project. This principle is tied to the established pull principle of lean methodologies. The only time an action should be taken is when there is a clear and communicated customer demand. This allows for adapting to changing requirements on the project through the iterative and continuous improvement process of lean development. This helps to reduce costly mistakes as more information is gathered throughout the duration of the project. Many projects and ideas fail in early stages, so making informed and data-driven decisions later on reduces overall risk. Optimizing the whole is a systems thinking approach. Specifically, it is important to keep the whole system in mind when building out a core feature so there is not a suboptimal design. A suboptimal design could produce negative effects at a later iterative step of the lean software development process. Although continuous improvement does necessitate making changes, getting it right the first time should always be prioritized. Creating a product that doesn't carry out the function that the whole system is intended for costs both time and money. After reviewing the principles of lean software development, what are the greatest strengths and benefits of this development process? Pause and think. The most notable benefit of lean software development is the reduction of waste. Through the removal of unnecessary features and documentation, only the most important value-driven aspects of the product are worked on. This improves efficiency, lowers costs, and creates a faster delivery. In addition, constantly improving the minimum viable software means there is no quality trade-off. Delaying decisions reduces risk for all involved in the project. Decisions are made when there is supporting data. Consistent iterations and improvement mean the customer must be heavily involved in the process, leading to a better communication and clearer requirements. Lastly, lean software development is very adaptive and flexible, which is an increasingly important aspect of modern-day projects with changing requirements. On the other hand, what are some noticeable weaknesses and challenges that could occur in the lean software development process? Pause and think. One noticeable downside of lean software development is the lack of documentation despite being process-driven. Through the elimination of waste, many times documentation is a victim. In addition, it can be difficult to measure progress and metrics, as they may no longer be viable through the elimination of waste. Another downside is the potential for sub-optimization. Despite the optimizing the whole principle, only completing the minimum viable product can potentially lead to pieces of the software where the sum of the parts doesn't equal the whole. Lastly, for large complex projects, it is hard to eliminate waste and find a minimum viable product. Scaling may not be possible for lean software development in these instances. Given that many people view lean software development as an agile framework, what are the similarities and differences? Pause and think. One key similarity between Agile and Lean is that they both focus on continuous improvement and both are iterative in nature. Also, team members must both be cross-functional and willing to adapt. In addition, Lean and Agile aim to deliver high quality and simple software as well as less documentation. Although, the way they go about this is different. Lean emphasizes eliminating waste in the process, whereas Agile has a main goal of delivering working software. Agile and Lean both require constant communication and buy-in from the customer. Due to being iterative in nature, feedback is constantly required from the customer to meet the ever-changing expectations and needs of the project. One other difference is the nature of each development process. Lean emphasizes improving processes, whereas Agile emphasizes people.